In this video, I'm going to show you how one e-commerce store tripled their abandoned cart conversions and took their reship cost from up to $200 to $300 per customer down to zero. They were dealing with two main problems. The first was a problem that all e-commerce stores deal with, which is cart abandonment. People coming to the store, clicking on a product, checking it out, but then not actually purchasing the product. And the second was reshipments. This is one that a lot of people outside of the e-commerce business won't really understand. But this company, they were sending a welcome kit to every one of their new customers. It's a small welcome kit. It was a loss leader, so it wasn't like they were trying to make money off of sending this to them. But what would happen is about 10 or 15% of the time, the address that was given to them was incorrect. So this welcome packet, which was already not making them money, would be shipped to the wrong address. And so now, in order to get it to them, they have to pay for return shipping and then pay to ship it again. And sometimes, if the person lived overseas, they were paying upwards of $200 or $300 just for the reshipment, which puts them way in the hole for those particular situations. So what they did is, in both situations, they implemented a PicSnippet. The first PicSnippet they implemented for the cart abandons was a very simple image. All it was responding to the person and saying, hey, you left this, do you still want it? And they would just print the person's name right on the image. The second was sending an image of the box that their welcome packet is actually sent in, but with the address that they had on file, and asking, we have your box ready to ship, is this the right address? And what happened was, people noticed that the address was wrong and would reach out to them directly and quickly because they saw the image, they saw the address, and they saw that it was wrong. Versus other situations where it's so easy to just say, yes, that's my correct address, and not have the context of it actually being shipped to the right place. Now I want to show you exactly how we set up the cart abandonment image that went in that email, which, by the way, tripled their conversions on cart abandons. And the great part about this is that the image they used is actually a PicSnippets stock image. So this is something you could deploy right now, today. You don't even have to take a picture. So the first thing you do is, once you're logged into PicSnippets, you're going to go create a new PicSnippet. You're going to go use one of our templates. And then on the second page, you can see there's a lot of great templates that are here, but we're going to go to the second page. And up here on the right is the image that they actually use. We're going to click Use This Pic. Now we need to generate two snippets. So we're going to add the first snippet, and this is where we're actually going to put their first name. So the image here is going to be, hey, and then add personalization. We're going to call this first name. Make sure that there's no space. This is going to go up here in the corner, and then we'll add one more. Once you have that configured, you're going to click on Generate Code. Now we are using Klaviyo for this particular email service provider, so we're going to select Klaviyo from the platform. And for first name, we're going to select first name. You can see it's merged there. Now with Klaviyo, we can actually use just the link. We don't have to use the embed code. So we're going to copy this link. We're going to go over into our email template in Klaviyo. So we're just going to click on this image to reveal the settings, and all we need to do is click Replace Image, and then you can see the options on the left here. We're going to choose Placeholder. So we're just going to drop the URL that we copied out of PicSnippets and hit Save. Now this is going to show this PicSnippets template default image until you actually send it, but when the image does get sent, it will merge in the name right onto the image. Now, one last thing that I'll point out is that Klaviyo has an abandoned cart template flow in their templates library, so you should check that out, and it'll work perfectly with what we have set up here. They were able to triple their cart abandon conversions, and they were able to practically eliminate all of their reshipping costs. On average, every time they sent one of these PicSnippets images, they made $13 off that person.